Hey, all of you fish lovers out there, I've got a delicious recipe to share with y'all. Baked cod with a flavorful herb crust. Light, flaky, and tender on the inside with a nice herby crunch on the outside. You'll simply love it. The ingredients are listed in the description area below, so let's get to cooking. Get started by preheating your oven to 400 degrees Fahrenheit. Rinse and cut the fish fillets into serving sizes. Try to keep them roughly the same size if possible so they all cook evenly. Grab your baking dish and add the olive oil. Place the fish fillets in the dish and turn them to coat each side with the oil. Season both sides of the fillets with salt and pepper. Now pre-bake the fish for 10 minutes. While the fish is in the oven, it's time to make the herb crust. I'm using a food processor. If you don't have one, you can use a Ziploc bag and a rolling pin to crush the crackers. Add the Ritz crackers, add the panko flakes, fresh parsley, fresh dill, peeled garlic cloves, grated lemon zest. Last, add salt. Now allow the food processor to do the work. Remove the lid and add the mixture to a bowl. Smells so fresh. Add the melted butter and stir until evenly moistened. Notice the texture, give it a taste test, then set aside for now. It's been 10 minutes. Time to remove the fish from the oven and add the crumb topping. Pour the wine directly on the fillets. And lemon juice. The fish will absorb those flavors and the alcohol will evaporate during cooking. Pat the crumb mixture evenly on the fillets, pressing gently to help them adhere. Not to worry if some crumbs spill into the sauce, it will add wonderful flavor. Return the pan to the oven for 12 minutes until the fillets are just cooked through in the center, depending on the thickness of the fish. It's been 12 minutes and the fillets are done. Allow them to cool off about 10 to 15 minutes. Sprinkle with a dash of salt and fresh squeezed lemon juice before serving. Fresh and flavorful, plus loaded with lean protein, vitamins, and minerals. It's a win-win, folks. Give this recipe a like, subscribe, and share this with someone. You got this, and God bless.